Can't just get those drugs from the counter and inject by yourself.
Hi, Dr. Sagri.
Hi.
What are your thoughts on weight management drugs like Ozempic and Mounjaro?
First and foremost, they have to be strictly under physician guidance, and you will have to take ample care to have high protein diet and do strength training regularly. These are the three important things. A physician is going to calculate your body mass index and calculate the dosage accordingly, and we gradually increase the dosage of this Mounjaro drug and then taper it down as per the guidelines and safely manage your weight loss, making sure that your muscle is not lost at any cost, because that's the most common thing that happens in this weight management.
Yes. What are the common side effects that you encounter during weight loss?
The most common being hair loss, which no one really talks about. First and foremost, the hair loss and the skin wrinkling, getting dried up, and saggy skin. These are some things that have to be tackled with dermatologist help.
We have certain devices that are available, technology that's available that can not only assist weight loss but
Okay.
also reduce some of the side effects. So at Renara, we have treatments available for hair loss to nutritional supplementation and even prescription medications to help the hair loss. We have the M-shaped device, which uses muscle stimulation, not only to burn fat but to preserve muscle mass
Wow.
and increase muscle mass to a certain extent. And for skin sagging and poor skin texture that comes with weight loss, we have the HIFU treatment. We have the latest HIFU device, that's the Doublo 2.0, which is available to reduce skin sagging and firm and lift the skin. And we also have a radiofrequency device, Porma, which a combination of HIFU and radiofrequency gives good results when it comes to tightening and firming of the skin that occurs with weight loss.
Wow. So, doctor, this technology which you have just said, where muscle is preserved and fat is lost, can we use this even to adult patients? I'm talking about when I'm managing the weight loss for my patients above 60 years who are very obese and diabetic, and I'm prescribing this weight loss medication.
Correct.
So, would this technology help them to preserve their muscle and lose the fat?
So it can be used in both kinds of patients. The ones who are able to exercise, this can be a very useful add-on to their exercise routine because it activates muscles in a way that exercise cannot. So it becomes but it's not a whole replacement for exercise. Both activate muscles in different ways, so they are complementary to each other. But because of accidents or injuries or debility or old age, if people are unable to do strength training, this can be a good start.
Yeah.
Absolutely. This can be a useful device to activate muscles and to preserve muscle mass and to some extent gain muscle mass.
Wow, that's wonderful.